Welcome back to North of the Broad. I'm your host, Karen Wyman, coming to you from the Paddle Shack above all places, higher ground on Ladies Island. Joined by the one and only Tim Lovett. Hey, Tim.
Hey, Karen.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you, too.
I mean, long time no see.
I know. It's like deja vu.
It is. It's awesome. We're up here. It's really, I mean, this is spectacular.
It's a little toasty today.
It's a little toasty today. We are breaking about 100 degrees here in Beaufort today on July 11th.
Yeah.
Roughly. But there is a lot going on here. It is summertime in the low country.
It is definitely summertime.
We know that we are feeling it, but you guys are busy, busy, busy.
We are. We are running back and forth to the marina about as fast as we can go, launching kayaks and stand-up paddleboards and getting people on the water.
Right, I mean, somebody's pulling in right now.
Pulling in now.
About to do that same
looks
thing.
like a paddler.
That's right. I can see the rack on the car. It definitely gives them away.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. I mean, I know that you're also available to do tours for people. If you want to do paddle parties, which I've been a part of, go
Yes.
out. The full moon this month in July, I believe, is July 27th or 28th. So if anybody's looking to organize a full moon paddle, we know just the perfect place.
Yes, we'll have to do that again. That turned out really nice.
We
It was a
had
great
probably
night.
a group of close to 20 paddlers.
I think so.
Yeah, it was awesome. It was so much fun. But you're selling lots of swimwear and sun protective clothing, of course.
Yes. We've got the new Beaufort map shirt that everybody's
awesome.
kind of been going crazy over.
You're sold out right
We're
now.
sold
and I
out,
was downstairs
waiting
wanting to
on
get
more.
one.
Yeah, and I think I'm going to have to place another order probably in the next couple of days.
I mean, the material itself is just awesome. Obviously, it's wicking. It gives you that extra layer of protection for boating, paddling, kayaking, even being outside if you're just getting some yard work done and looking for an extra layer of sun protection. But the cool map of Beaufort, oh, look at that breeze. I mean,
there we go.
There we go. We're perfect. The map of Beaufort is just so iconic and just super cool.
And even, if you're out on the water and you get lost, you've got it all,
Sure, you can just
right
look on your back.
Just,
Well, we also know that you do have some sales going on downstairs in the store.
Yep.
Anybody out there like me who's interested in some fabulous yoga wear, your Prana is all on sale, 30% off.
So we have some swimwear in there as well from Prana that's we're liquidating at this point.
Okay.
Kind of end of the summer is approaching, I guess. And
end of the summer, we just got started.
I know.
But I know that in retail, obviously, got to be working with the seasons and with the trend. And speaking of that, it is time for you to go shopping.
Buying show season, yep. Heading to Greenville in August, as well as down to Orlando to Surf Expo. Check out styles for next spring.
Right, so these are opportunities to buy materials, styles, equipment for spring and summer of 2019.
Next year, yeah. We got to get out the crystal ball and plan ahead, guess what's going to be selling.
I'm glad that you know what's going to happen because I certainly don't.
Right.
But you do have something that is coming up that is near and dear, a give back that you do to the community here in Beaufort, Jasper County. On August 3rd, you're going to have Kids in Kayaks. Talk to our viewers out there about that program and how it benefits our community. Yes,
well, Kids in Kayaks has been in existence for, I think, well over 10 years now. It was originally started by Linda Eccles of the Swamp Girls, I think, who has since passed, but it's been carried on by Johnny Davis at Jasper County Parks, and it's we go out in conjunction with Jasper County Parks and give anyone in the community, the rural areas around Beaufort and Jasper County that wouldn't normally have an opportunity to kayak or stand-up paddleboard to come out, get professional instruction, get on a paddleboard for the first time or get in a kayak for the first time and paddle around. Sergeant Jasper Park has a little lake out there that's really safe and contained, and it's awesome to see the light go on for these little kids that get out there. We put them in life jackets to make sure everybody's safe, but it's really rewarding to see that. Yeah.
So that's on August the 3rd. It'll take place. Last year was a little bit, you had three days that you did this. But
3 different dates, but they've condensed it into one date this summer. Yeah, and
awesome.
It'll be like the little back to school bang that happens right before, I guess, they start looking towards going back to school.
Yeah, I know. It comes and goes so quickly here, summer in the Low Country, but we just stretch it out as long as we possibly can.
That's right.
Right. So obviously lots of fun things happening. I mean, we're here at the Paddle Shack, of course. Want to make sure that people know that this great space is available, that to look online at VRBO if they're looking for a place to rent, right, with some great water access and an awesome view.
Yes, thank you. Short-term rental, long-term rental, whatever you're looking for, we can fix you up and put you on the water while you're here staying with us.
Right, we got it all right here at the Paddle Shack. Well, thank you, Tim, as always, for talking with us this afternoon and being our gracious host. That wraps up this edition of North of the Broad.